Hello viewers, welcome to today's video. On this video, I'll be showing you how to actually install a Blogger template on your Blogger blog. So without no further ado, I would like to dive into today's video. And if you're actually new to this channel, Easy to Learn, I really advise you hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell in order to receive updates when I post a video. And so many things are actually going to be coming into this channel. So guys, if you don't want to miss it, I recommend you stay tuned by subscribing to this channel. So let's dive into what we have today.
Guys, welcome to today's video. On this video, I'll actually be sharing with you how to actually install a responsive and Adsense ready Blogger template. So I would want to start off by entering our blog we created before. So if you go to a blog, this is how it should look like. Then in order to install a template, you would want to come over to the theme section over here. To the theme section, when you come to the theme section, you can see customize. You can see here that says backup, restore, switch to first generation, and edit HTML. Now on default, it is set for Blogger's default template, which is Contempolite. But if you look at the link on the description below, which I will drop after making this video, you to direct you to a place where you see a post where you get all these premium templates for free. Yes, right, you heard me, premium templates for free. So guys, if you go to that link, which is what I'm about to open up here, once you enter it, it will direct you immediately to where you are going to download those templates for free. So that is it. Let's quickly scroll down. Now you see here that says download this template for free. You are going to click on download this template for free. Then this is where all the templates are. This is where all the templates are. So you just click on it one by one and you download all of them. Okay, it has been downloaded. So we're going to come over here. First of all, we'll open this file to see what has been downloaded. Just click on open when done. So when it finishes, it automatically opens by itself. I'll just come over here because I've already downloaded the template. I'll just come over here and I'll click on restore, then upload. Now I'll come to where I downloaded the file, then look for where the template is. Okay, you can see this template was there, so let me go for this one. All these templates are templates that I've already gotten. I bought them, so I am actually giving it out for free. So if you know you are in need of a template for Adsense approval, I strongly recommend this News Plus Premium template. So I will just install it immediately. Okay, now you can see that this theme preview is currently unavailable, which means this is now a custom template, no longer a default Blogger template. So guys, do not forget to do this. When you finish, you come to your mobile settings right here for your responsiveness on mobile device. So you see here, do you want to show desktop or mobile theme on mobile devices? So I will choose mobile and I will save. So just come over here and see how this template looks like. So network issue over there. Okay, here you can see how beautiful the template is looking. Very nice and sharp. So guys, this is how it's looking. It's a premium template, so I will recommend you get this template and you use it for your blog. It's very important to get the template and use it for your blog so that you can get AdSense approval. You can see how beautiful it's looking over here. Very sweet template, and it's the funniest part of it is, the best part of it is, it doesn't have any footer credits. So guys, I strongly recommend you use this template. It's a very nice template for bloggers that are coming into the niche for the very first time. So guys, until my next video, where I will be showing you how to actually create a post and also create pages on your blog, and making use of it to edit all these things that are here, because these things are not going to be in need because of your niche. So guys, until next time, goodbye and have a lovely day.